Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Brave browser, just to let you know that the browser has received a version upgrade, which rolled out on the 20th of March, which was late yesterday in my region. So to double check we have this update, we head to our main menu, Help, About Brave, and the latest version and build for the browser after this update has been applied is version 1.64.109. And for the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on, that's been bumped up to version 123.0.6312.58. And just on a side note, you can also see that the version information, the UR, has been changed from white to orange to match the other kind of user interface of the About Brave page. And I actually think that looks quite nice. It just makes that version information pop out. And I think that's a nice step in the right direction. So the version information has also been upgraded to orange, as we can see. Now, first of all, just focusing on the Chromium side of things. There are 12 security fixes that have been rolling out throughout the course of this week, which this update will include. There are no 0 days or exploits in the wild, but we do get one high-risk vulnerability that's been patched, which is your second highest ranked vulnerability. And that's patching object lifecycle issue in V8, which is the V8 JavaScript engine. And over and above the high risk issue that's been patched, we get a couple of mediums and a couple of lows, but nonetheless 12 security fixes that have rolled out. So this does make it an important security update. Now, with the security side of things out of the way, once again, version 1.64 with Brave doesn't disappoint. We do get a lot of little tweaks and adjustments and new little features that have rolled out, and Brave is always packed with improvements with every version upgrade. Now, first of all, Web3, and that's the cryptocurrency side of things. If you are using the wallet in Brave, once again, there are plenty add-ons and updates and bug fixes that have rolled out for the wallet and the Web3 cryptocurrency side of things. So if you are using the wallet and are using crypto in Brave, then just head to your version information on the About Brave page, and you click on that and you can get all the information you would need regarding those improvements, because if I went through every single one of those, we would basically be here all day. Now, moving on to the general fixes and improvements, and I think this is where most users would, this is the section that most users would find of interest. Now, first of all, they've added Brave Leo right-click quick actions. So if you are using the AI assistant in Brave, then just to demonstrate, if we just head over to any random web page quickly, and we just highlight a section and portion of text, and we right click, you can see now they've got Leo AI tools. So they basically have added quick actions, so you get summarize, explain, a whole lot of different actions here if you are using the Leo chatbot AI assistant. So if you are using Leo, that may be a step in the right direction. And then they've also added the ability to disable Brave Leo via admin policy, and I think that would be more of interest to administrators in a corporate and a enterprise environment. And then they've added a bring all tabs to this window option to the tab context menu. Now, this applies to if you are browsing with more than one window open. You will see now that if I right click on that tab, it says bring all tabs to this window, and if I click on that and pop that open, you can see everything gets imported now into the one window, which I actually think is a nice move and a step in the right direction. They've added a show scroll bar setting for vertical tabs. So for this, we need to head back to the settings, appearance, and on the appearance page, we scroll down, and if we enable vertical tabs, here is the show scroll bar. So if you are using vertical tabs, that may be a useful little improvement. And something else to take note of, and I'm just going to mention this, they've added full screen and next buttons to picture-in-picture. That's the pip window. If you are watching videos, as an example, YouTube videos in Brave, you now have access to full screen and next buttons. And then for the browser itself, it's received a security update to Brave, the browser itself. And they've also improved Chromium storage partitioning, and that's because the browser is based on the open source Chromium platform. And once again, if you are using Leo, if you open up the sidebar now, they've updated the sidebar button to open Brave Leo by default. So quite a lot going on with the AI assistant in this release, and that's expected because these AI assistants across all the different browsers are relatively new, and a lot of them are still in preview. As an example, with Copilot over on Microsoft Edge. So the browser manufacturers are putting a lot of effort into improving these AI assistants and assistants in the browsers, and Brave Leo and Brave is no exception. Now, there's also a couple of updates to under the hood components of the browser. And then we've got 9 fixes that have rolled out to the browser. So if you have experienced any issues since upgrading to previous versions, then this should address those issues in the browser. But on the notes and on the subject of fixes, I posted a video maybe a week or so ago that the bookmarks were not syncing in the browser, and I still see there's no fix that's rolled out for Brave bookmarks that are not syncing, and that's causing a major headache for me because I manage my YouTube channel using the Brave browser. So still no fix. The bookmarks are still not syncing in my part of the world, and I'll leave that video in the end screen of this video if you'd just like to get some more information regarding that issue. So I certainly hope Brave fixes the bookmarks not syncing issue sooner than later. But nonetheless, with version 1.64, there are 9 fixes that have rolled out for the browser. So that's more or less what's new, guys, in this latest version and build. As mentioned, this rolled out on the 20th of March, version 1.64 with Chrome version 123, and we are still waiting for Microsoft Edge version 123, which I would suggest would roll out later today. If not today, then tomorrow on the 22nd. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.